Hello, and welcome to Simple Spoken English with Noel. In today's episode, we'll continue with Liam Carter's story. Liam has found a wonderful restaurant called the Fisherman's Table. You'll learn how to place an order in English, phrases to ask about food and drink details, simple sentences to pay the bill politely. This lesson is perfect for travelers or anyone wanting to improve their English for dining out. Let's join Liam at the restaurant. Liam at the Fisherman's Table. Liam Carter walked into the Fisherman's Table, a cozy restaurant by the harbour. The smell of fresh seafood filled the air. A friendly waiter greeted him at the door.
Hello, welcome to the Fisherman's Table. How many people?
Just one, please. The waiter smiled and led him to a small table near the window.
Here's your menu. I'll give you a moment to decide.
Liam looked at the menu carefully. He saw dishes like grilled fish, seafood pasta, and fresh salad. After a few minutes, the waiter returned.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like the grilled fish, please.
Great choice. Would you like it with rice or potatoes?
Potatoes, please.
And would you like a drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Perfect. Is there anything else?
Could you tell me more about the grilled fish?
Sure. The fish is fresh from the harbor. It's grilled with lemon, garlic, and herbs. It comes with a side of vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Thank you.
Here is your grilled fish with potatoes and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Liam tasted the fish. It was delicious. The potatoes were crispy and the vegetables were fresh. When he finished his meal, the waiter came back.
How was your meal?
Thank you. It was wonderful. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like dessert or coffee?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please. The waiter brought the bill and placed it on the table.
Here's your bill. You can pay at the counter when you're ready.
Liam checked the bill and walked to the counter.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was amazing. Thank you.
That's great to hear. How would you like to pay?
By card, please. Liam tapped his card, and the payment was complete.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye. Liam left the restaurant feeling happy and full. He had enjoyed a fantastic meal and practiced his English. Key phrases to practice. Here are some phrases to help you order food and pay at a restaurant. I'd like the grilled fish, please. Could you tell me more about this dish? Would you like it with rice or potatoes? Just the bill, please. How would you like to pay? Practice these sentences to feel confident when dining out. Now it's your turn. What would you order if you visited the Fisherman's Table? Do you have a favorite dish to order at a restaurant? Write your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to use the phrases we practiced today.